In today's video, I'll be making chili cornbread casserole. If you're new to my page, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. So I'm using some ground beef, and now I'm just adding seasonings. So now I'm just gonna cut up a half of onion and add that in. So I'm just mixing it up. And now I'm gonna add some cilantro. Now that the meat is done, it's time to drain it. Okay, now it's time to add the chili seasoning. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button to show support. Okay, so before I added the third tomato sauce, I went ahead and added some red pepper flakes to make it a little spicy. Now it's time to make the cornbread, so I'm just going to be using 2 boxes. So now we're going to add 2 eggs, and then we're going to add some milk. Oh, and I had melted some butter and added it inside. Once I was done mixing it up, I went ahead and added the mix on top of the chili. Now it's time to put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. This is how it came out. Now I'm just going to cut a piece, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Yeah, it smells so good. Oh my God, just look at that. You can add sour cream on top if you want, but I decided not to.